Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mina and we're back with another video. So today's video is a super quick, super easy 9x6 closure wig install sponsored by ISEE Hair. Y'all, I'm gonna say this later on in the video. Y'all gonna hear me say this a couple times. ISEE Hair is the standard when it comes to glueless units. I'm telling you, nobody is doing it like them. From the M cap structure design to the C-cut specially made to go around your ears, the hair quality, the melts, everything. ISEE Hair is the standard. You do not want to miss this install. You do not want to miss these details that I'm about to drop for y'all. But what you want to do is get your hands on one of these units. That's what you want to do. Don't say I ain't tell you. If you want the full install process that literally took me under 10 minutes and you want the details on this unit, stick around. But before you go, if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in a few.
Best friend, me, myself, and I. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never more myself.
Okay, so like I said earlier, today we're working with ISEE Hair. We've worked with them many a time now and they never disappoint. I'm excited because I am going on vacation tomorrow. Going to Houston. What else is new? And instead of me installing my wig like the day of my flight and genuinely tweaking, I'm just gonna do it the night before so I can be calm tomorrow. And so yeah, that's what we're doing. So I'm gonna do a cute little quick and easy closure install and they're going to help me achieve that. Let's unbox. Their packaging is always so good. Like, look at this. I always want to like keep the bag in the box, but at this point I'm starting to have too many of them. Like I have like 4 of these in my bathroom. Like I don't need them. So cute. Let's take the wig out and talk about the goodies they sent me. Okay, so they gave me a really cute bonnet. It says Princess Icy. They gave me some really cute lashes, some wig caps, a little instruction card, super good for beginners, and looks like an extra wig band and some combs. We have ourselves a straight 24-inch, 100% human hair closure wig. Off rip, the hair quality, chef kiss. They already have a wig band in here for us, but I don't want the red in here, I want the black, so I'm just gonna switch that out real quick. I like that it comes with these silicone grippies on it because it makes sure that once you adjust it, this little adjuster doesn't slide back. Just make sure it stays in place. Okay, I'm just gonna slip this in like so. Something else that I like about this wig already, the combs are removable. So you can really easily just pop these right out. Personally, I like to leave the back one in and take out the ones on the sides. For some reason, the ones on the sides always kind of irritate me. So I just like to take those out. And then the one at the back, I leave in for security. Get into this lace, honey. Pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-parted, pre-bleached, pre-everything. This is a true wear and go wig. First thing we're gonna do, first thing we always do, is tint our lace. So I'm just gonna get some cream foundation. I'm using one by Ruby Kisses. They have a bunch of shades. You have no reason not to tint your lace. Go ahead and get you one. And I'm just gonna put that right onto my lace. I've been wanting to get back into like the spray tint or like maybe try out a tinted mousse, but I don't know. I just feel like they'd be so messy. I feel like this is more controlled, but let me know if you guys have had a different experience. Make sure that's nice and blended. And I'm gonna leave this out because we might have to do a little bit more tinting later. This is what she's looking like on my hand. I'm gonna go ahead and tint my wig cap with the residual foundation left on my brush. Push this back a little and hold this forward. Is my head too big? Okay, this is her fully on. Yes, absolutely. I feel like this is so cute. Wow. Be careful not to make the wig band too tight. I say see how it fits on your head first and then tighten it a little bit more, because at first it fit my head, but because I tightened it a little bit too much, it wasn't coming down far enough. But then I loosened it and now it still fits, but it's fully on my head. This wig is so fire. First of all, it's mad comfortable. They have this new M cap design that they have really been pushing, and it's supposed to, one, fit naturally on your head, so the lace shouldn't lift right here, it should just fit to the curve of your forehead. And two, they've been working on this thing with the ears, where instead of the cap going straight down like this and probably going over your ear and being super uncomfortable, it now curves around your ear. So let me see, it just goes basically around your ear, and it's like in a curved C shape. Y'all, so comfortable. I have had so many glueless wigs that like bother my ears, especially because my head isn't that big. So if the wig happens to be too big on me, all that extra cap is just sitting right on top of my ears, and it's the worst. But with this, even if it's a little bit too big, it's still just gonna go around your ear regardless because of that cutout that they have. Yeah, I love this wig. Definitely needs to be tinted a little bit more. What you have to remember is like the center of your face may match the tint, but your forehead or the perimeter of your hairline might be a bit darker. So sometimes I'll even go in with like my bronzer shade along my hairline just a little bit. So as I said earlier, I'm traveling tomorrow and I want to secure this just a little bit. So we are going to use a little bit of holding spritz today. I don't want to use glue because I know as soon as I get off the plane, this bad boy is coming right off. So I think just for a little hold, we're gonna do some holding spritz. We're gonna clip the hair back real quick. And I love how this comes bone straight, like, whoa, no work needed. Just gonna spray that directly on the lace. Just press that in with my fingers. Okay, now I'm gonna take a fan and the end of a comb and just start blending that lace in. Okay, just a little bit longer with the fan. Now I'm just gonna put a wig band on and really melt the lace. Okay, now I'm gonna take this clip out and I'm gonna bring out my hot comb, turn that on. And while we're waiting for that to heat up, I'm gonna bring out a wax stick and apply just a little bit of wax to the crown of the head and the hairline, but like a little bit because I don't want the hair to get like greasy and weighed down. Oh, we're about to get frontal. Just y'all wait. Like, look at that. That's giving scalp. Are you crazy? This hair is literally flawless. Okay, should be hot enough. Let's do it. Alrighty, hair is nice and hot combed. Looking flat, honey, period, purr. Now I'm gonna take this wig band off, see what this lace is looking like. Y'all, look at this melt. Hello? I can't even melt a lot of my frontals this good. Oh, ISEE didn't come to play. They didn't come to play. Why did this just take me 2 seconds? And it's literally giving frontal install. This is so fire. You mean tell me I just got a bust down frontal wig install that's a closure within 10 minutes? This is actually the perfect travel wig because you really could just pop her right on. If not for the fact that I'd be sleeping on the plane. and I don't want my wig to slide back, you know, and I wake up and we in a whole different vibe, I would have just put this on tomorrow and just left it glueless. But I added a little hairspray. But the fact that it melted this well with hairspray is ridiculous. This is what I'm expecting. This is the standard. ISEE Hair is the standard. This is literally flawless. I want to add a little bit of concealer to my part just because I'm just feeling cute, you know? So let's do that. I'm just gonna get a little bit out. I saw a hairstylist use this LA Girl Pro concealer. It's for like their part, and it's like I never considered it, but it's actually like the perfect size for a part. Seems like it'd be pretty easy, so we're just gonna try it. I already have one laying around. I don't really use this concealer anymore, but I'm like, listen, if we can make an old product new again, I'm for it. Okay, I'm gonna just take off some of the excess. I feel like this is a little dark, but it's fine. Ooh, okay, wait. I was a little scared at first. It's actually the perfect shade. I lied. It's literally the perfect width. Like, that is so smart. I wish I could remember like who I saw do this, but I was just like scrolling on Instagram. But this is so smart. And like you get a nice straight line. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. Just bring that right on down. It's giving Jesus parted it himself. Come on, won't he do it? Yeah, this is a new staple. Okay, y'all, we are done. Like, do you see how I just got this flawless install in 10 minutes? I'm telling y'all, ISEE Hair is the standard. She is the moment. I'm absolutely in love with this wig. I will have all the details for this unit down below in my bio for y'all because I know you're gonna want to pick one up for yourself. Let's be for real. If you enjoyed the video, if you found any of this useful, if you enjoyed, you know, watching me and saw this little wig, getting ready for my Houston trip, leave me a like, comment down below your thoughts on the video, and of course, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you have, hey girl, what's up? Thank you for coming back. Period. Huge shout out to ISEE Hair for sending me this unit. Like, I just need to get up out of here and go take some pictures or something because this is just too cute to just be in the house. Come on. Thank y'all so much for watching. As always, it's your girl Mina. Y'all have a good day.
From now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself.